Since uploading my unboxing and initial impression video on the PS5, I've been getting a lot of comments telling me that people are unable to put their PS5 into 120Hz refresh rate mode. Does the PS5 even support 120Hz refresh rate at the moment? The answer is yes, and in this video I'm going to show you how to enable 120Hz on your PS5. First, I want to show you the PS5 system settings video output information screen. As you can see here, when I open it up, it shows my PS5 is currently outputting 4K 60Hz. Although at the bottom of the screen it clearly shows that the connected HDMI device, my TV, is 120Hz capable. In Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, when I open up the graphics settings, it shows that ray tracing is enabled, and that this can only be enabled if 120Hz is disabled. Taking a look at the 120Hz refresh rate setting, this is grayed out, and it advises that the PS5 has to be set to performance mode within the system settings for this to work. Going back to the PS5 system settings, within the Save Data and Game Settings menu and Game Presets, you can select whether your PS5 opts for performance or resolution mode. I'll change this setting over to performance mode, which will disable ray tracing. Now, after restarting Black Ops Cold War, I'll go back into the PS5 video output information, and as you can see, my PS5 is now outputting 4K 120Hz. I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, please drop a thumbs up below. If you're new to my channel and want to see more videos like this, hit subscribe and the bell icon below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you at the next one.